Where's that hecking on button? Oh, I found it! Let's play!
Okay, welcome to another video with Luke here, and we are going to be back to building Wilko Blox. Yay! It's a police car this time. A nice little thing. We're going to give that a go. It looks like it's going to be a nice easy build. So yay, 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 yay. And we're going to try open the packaging. I love that. I'm in awe of the law. Ha ha ha. Very punny. I love it. Let's be having there we go. Okay, so now let's see if I can get into the packaging. Tape. Tape. I wish Stephön actually had teeth so he can nom through these things. I'm rubbish with packaging, as you already know. No, tape. Am I in? No? No. Wilko Blox always makes me have to work to get into their little things. Yeah. There we go. I'll just tear open the little tab. There we go. I tore it. Ha ha, you cannot beat me. Ha, that policeman needs a donut. Me too. Nom nom nom. So it's going to be about 7 centimetres by 4 centimetres. No criminal can escape from the rapid police road response. Okay, right. So, oh, it comes with a figure too. That's going to be really cool. And it was only £1.50. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? So, let's open this up. We've got a little bag with more bags, and we've got a little tiny instruction leaflet. There we go. So, let's get building this with Stephön. Blah, blah, blah. Ah. Okay, so that is the police car built, and the little figure as well. He's riding the Ferris wheel upside down because he didn't get in there right and in time. Oh, policeman! No! Da da da! It's nearly back round again. It's coming back round. There we go. And he's fell out the Ferris wheel. Hurrah. Anyway, Stephön, what do you think of the police car? No, you can't ride it. Oh no. Stephön has fell off the police car. Oh dear. There we go. You're riding it backwards. And you fell off it again. Okay, it's actually a really good build. This one, I struggled with the wheels. You can see it's got a rim on that one, none on that one. It's because the rims are very difficult to stick on. They just pop right off. But other than that, it is a very simple build, very quick. I really enjoyed it. It's a neat little police car. Stephön certainly enjoyed it. It's a bit too big for the car, but there we go. I think we should just leave the police car to the policeman. There we go. There we go. His arms are in an awkward position, but hey ho, that's how things go. So, if you did like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. It is that shill part again. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, good day and boop.